Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify for beginners on your phone. First, download the Shopify mobile app from your device's app store. Once installed, you can easily create a new store account or log in if you already have one. The app's intuitive dashboard allows you to manage your entire business directly from your smartphone, making it simple to get started and oversee daily operations. Adding products is straightforward. Tap the Products tab to upload images, write compelling descriptions, and set your pricing. You can also categorize items into collections, like new arrivals or best sellers, to help customers find what they need. Personalize your store's look by choosing from various mobile-optimized themes, ensuring a professional and engaging shopping experience for your visitors. Managing orders on the go is simple. You can view new orders, update their fulfillment status, and even print shipping labels directly from your phone. The app provides valuable analytics, allowing you to monitor sales trends and customer behavior, which helps in making informed business decisions. Plus, you can easily communicate with customers about their orders, providing excellent service from anywhere. To grow your business, leverage the app's marketing features. You can quickly set up discount codes and launch promotions to entice new customers and reward loyal ones. Explore various marketing tools to expand your reach and drive more traffic to your store. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, plus other great deals. These tools are designed to help you scale your business and achieve your sales goals efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.